Hi Filmators. Welcome back to another amazing tutorial. Today, we'll be focusing on the importance of nailing the audio in your videos. Great audio can make a world of difference in the overall quality of your content. So, let's dive right in. First, let's look at how to edit the audio of an entire track. You can either select the track by clicking on an area where there's no clip or by selecting a clip and finding the Select Track option in the bottom bar. Once the track is selected, you'll see a speaker icon button in the bottom bar. Pressing, it will reveal a slider, allowing you to edit the general volume of the track. This is super handy when you need to adjust the volume for the entire track instead of going clip by clip. Alternatively, you can press and hold or right-click for Mac users on the shortcut button in the track controls to access a similar slider for adjusting the track volume. If you simply press without holding on this button, it will mute the track and vice versa if you press again. Now, let's move on to editing audio for individual clips. You can edit a clip's audio by either selecting the clip and pressing the audio button that appears in the bottom bar, or by pressing and holding on a clip, right-click for Mac users, and selecting the Fade and Slash Out option. Both entry points will bring you to the Fade and Slash Out screen. For clips, you have a more flexible way of controlling the volume. You can edit the overall volume of a clip with the max volume slider, but also introduce a Fade and Slash Out for a smoother audio transition. Once you apply these adjustments, you'll see a line on the clip in the timeline indicating the volume and fades you've applied. Finally, remember that when you edit a clip's audio volume, it will still be impacted by its track's general volume as well. This means that if the track is muted, the clip won't play at any sound, or if the track has a lower volume and your clip has the maximum volume set, the track volume will be applied on top of any extra adjustments that the clip might have. That's all for today, Filmators. Now you know how to perfectly edit your audio in Filma for an amazing video experience. See you in our next tutorial and happy editing.